Hello, hello, my beautiful people. Coach Gabby here, and I'm super excited because today we not only have a HIIT workout, but it's going to be leg focused. That's right, we're gonna focus on our legs, our booty, toning that part of the body while doing a HIIT workout. It's gonna be great, it's gonna be fun, so let's get into it. So we will be doing 3 sets. The first one where I talk a little bit more. As I do it with you, I explain proper form, proper movement, all that good stuff. I give you modifications if you need it. And then set number 2 and 3, less talking, no talking. We just go straight through the routine, all right? So starting with our first exercise, we have reverse lunges, all right? Standing with your feet hip width apart, you're gonna step back, all right? Step back, go into that lunge position, making sure that your front leg is a 90-degree angle and your back leg is also a 90-degree angle. My knee is on top of my ankle here and my hip is on top of my knee back here. All right, so step up and then back to it. All right, continuously doing alternating reverse lunges. If that is too much for you, don't worry, you don't have to go all the way down. What I want you to do is just do a little bend, all right, a little mini squat or a mini reverse lunge, okay? You don't have to go all the way down. I just want you to put your foot back, do a little bend, all right, here, and then come back up. You'll still feel it. I still felt it right there, okay? So 30 seconds on the clock, big breath, and let's go. All right, stepping back, reverse lunge, up, and then again, all right? Now, because it is a HIIT workout, I want you to challenge yourself. I want you to go a little bit faster if you can, all right? Really get that heart rate up. Okay, if that's too much for you, go ahead, go at your own pace. That's the beauty of 30 seconds. You can do your mini lunges, all right? Go a little bit slower, but if you can, I want you to challenge yourself. All right, very good. Almost there. And 3, 2, 1, and there we have it. Very good. Shake it out, shake it out. Big breath, and moving on to fast feet. All right, we're gonna do, you know, like like football players do. They go fast, 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 fast feet. That's what we're gonna be doing, okay? So going as fast as you can, switching your feet side to side, all right? And if that's too much for you, no worries. Then go ahead and do a little mini march, all right? Do a little mini march, and there you go, okay? You can go at your own pace, but if you can, fast feet, fast, 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 fast. It's gonna be a little bit hard for me to talk on this one, so I'm gonna talk to you about proper form right now before we do it, okay? A nice straight back. I don't want you hunched over, all right? We are bent over a little bit, but that doesn't mean we're hunched over, okay? A nice straight back, so your knees are bent, straight back, engaged arms, all right? You can hold them out here if you want, or together, and then we go quick, 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 okay? But remember that posture. Big breath, whew, I'm already out of breath. 30 seconds, and let's get it, come on, go, 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 go. Woo! Fast feet, fast feet. Big breath. Awesome job. Ooh, everything's shaking. You got this, halfway there. Feeling the burn of the legs. Awesome job, keep going. And 3, 2, 1, up. There we go, my little football players. Awesome job, wow. Felt the burn on that one. Big breath, everyone. And moving on, we have a squat pulse. So our feet are hip width apart, okay? Hip width apart, we're gonna be sitting in an invisible chair, straight back, okay? We're not bent over, we're not arched, straight back, tucking that butt, tucking that tummy. Your knees never past your toes, all right? And we're gonna pulse, squat, pulse. So squat, pulse, pulse, up. Squat, pulse, pulse, up. All right? If that's a little bit too much for you, no worries, just go ahead and do a regular squat. All right, regular squat and come up. All right, regular squat, come up. If the full squat is still a little bit too much, no worries, go ahead and do a half squat. Half squat, go about 6 inches instead of all the way down, all right? And if you want, you can even start with the chair. You can grab a chair, all right, sit in the chair and then come back up. sit in the chair and then come back up. That's a great way to start really strengthening yourself with squats, all right? Big breath, catch my breath. And 30 seconds on the clock, squat pulse, let's go. Alrighty, remember coming down, pulse, pulse, up. Remembering your posture. All right, your shoulders are pushed away from your ears, your chest is up, your back is straight, your knees never pass your toes. Very good. And when you come up, squeeze, 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 squeeze your butt, and then come back down. Very good. Last one. And 3, 2, 1, squeeze and release. Very, very good, awesome job. Last but certainly not least, we have a sumo hold, all right? So our feet are wide, all right? Our toes are pointed out. We go into a sumo squat position, like so. Knees go out, they don't go forward, all right? Make sure your legs are rolled outwards, they're not in, okay? Very important for knee health. And sumo hold, we're just gonna hold it here, all righty? Big breath. And if holding that position is too much for you, I want you to go ahead and do sumo squats. So staying up here, coming down, and then coming back up, all right? And 30 seconds. You can do it at your own pace. If going up and down too quick is too much, then that's fine. Go ahead, come down one time, hold a little bit, and then come up. Take your time until you're ready to go back down, okay? If not, challenge yourself, hold it with me. You got this. 30 seconds, and let's go. Knees go out to the side, very good. Straight posture, straight torso. Big breath, very good. If you want to challenge yourself even more, you can go ahead and pulse in this position. Ouch, feel the burn. Very good, 10 more seconds, you got this. Strong arms, the entire body's engaged, and 3, 2, 1, come up, very good, bring them in, shake it out, and celebrate, woo! We did it, 1 set, done, dusted, 10-minute leg hit, all right? So we're gonna take a second, grab water, breathe, catch our breath, find ourselves, and then do it all again, except this time I zip my lips and we just go straight through. Alrighty, set number 2, you got this, you know what to do. We have our reverse lunges, all right? Then we have our fast feet, all right? We have our squat pulse, and then we have our sumo hold, all right? All of these can be modified. You can do different variations. If not, push yourself. We wanna get fast heartbeats, we wanna sweat, we wanna burn off that fat, okay? So that's the point of HIIT, is really going quick. So breathe. Another one. And let's get it. Starting with reverse lunges, 30 seconds, and let's go. Three, 2, 1. Very good. Shake it out. Shake it out. Fast feet. 30 seconds. And let's go. More seconds. Breathe. And 3, 2, 1. Together. Shake it out. Very, very good. Big breath. Squat pulses. 30 seconds. Let's go. 3, 2, 1, squeeze and release, very good. Big breath, wide legs, sumo hold, and let's get it. Halfway there, very good. And 3, 2, 1, come up together. Ooh, and shake it out. Very, very good. Awesome job, guys. We're going back to our next water break. 5 seconds. Breathe, drink some water, and then we got set number 3. You got this. Alrighty, my beautiful people, set number 3, you got this. All right, keep up the energy. I believe in you. We're almost done. We're almost there. We're sweating, we're hurting, but we got to think about those beautiful toned legs, all right? Summer is coming. You got this. Starting with our reverse lunges. Big breath. All right, starting with our reverse lunges, and let's go. Three, 2, 1. Very good. Shake it out. Shake it out. Fast feet. 30 seconds. And let's go. Ten more seconds. Breathe. And 3, 2, 1. Together. Shake it out. Very, very good. Big breath. Squat pulses. 30 seconds. Let's go. And 3, 2, 1, squeeze and release. Very good. Big breath, wide legs, sumo hold, and let's get it. Halfway there, very good. And 3, 2, 1, come up together. Ooh, and shake it out. Very, very good. Alrighty, that was it. 3 sets of your leg-focused HIIT workout. You did great. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments below what you thought, what you would like to see more of, and then don't forget to subscribe, click the bell. That lets you know when we post so you don't miss out on anything, all right? Go check out our channel. We have recipes, we have it all, and I hope to see you on the next one.